Hello friends, if you are searching how to delete IMDB account, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can delete your IMDB Pro account. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. You can delete IMDB Pro account or IMDB account by logging into your IMDB account and then going to delete your account page. Now click on permanently delete my account. When you delete your account, all of your data will be removed from your IMDB account. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily delete your IMDB Pro account. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.